What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with y'all how I made $2,000 in 30 minutes trading stocks. Now before I go into this guys, this is not financial advice whatsoever. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. You do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just how I personally made $2,000 profit in 30 minutes in stocks. And I'm just going to be talking about that day with y'all today. If you're new to my channel, go down, subscribe, because I just talk about stocks every single day on my channel, so make sure to go down, subscribe if you're new. So the day this happened was on July 24th, and the stock I invested in, a lot of people might love it, a lot of people might hate it. It was AMC. AMC Theaters. That was my money stock. That was the most money I've ever made in my life in the shortest period of time. Okay, so before I go ahead and show you exactly how it happened and when it happened and why it happened, I just want to let y'all know that there is a saying, and that saying goes like, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Now, for reference, for those of you that don't know what it means, it basically means don't go all in on one stock. Don't. It's retarded. It's stupid. It's a bad decision. Well, guess what? Putting all my eggs in one basket is exactly how I made $2,000 profit in 30 minutes. Now, before you go dump your life savings in a stock, let me tell you, it is risky. It is extremely risky, but with great risk comes great reward. Let me say it again, with great risk comes great reward. Now, when you're investing in a stock and you want to put your life savings in it, you need to make sure that it's a goddamn good stock, because this is like all your money. Now, it's a lot better to play with money that you don't mind losing. In my case, I don't mind losing all the money I've saved up. I'm down to risk it for the biscuit. I'm down to risk it for the rewards because it's amazing. Let me tell y'all exactly how it happened. It was on July 24th at exactly 3 p.m. When it happened, I almost had a heart attack, guys. I was in work doing my thing. I go to look at stocks after hours. I'm up $2,000. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was down overall, and I bought the dip that very day. And in 30 minutes, I saw my portfolio go from negative to positive $2,000. And I sold. I did take out my money. I sold. I used that money to buy a badass mic, a badass camera. I started with $4,000. I sold with $6,000. And then I put the $4,000 back into stocks. And I kept $2,000 profit just for me to splurge, for me to buy things I've always wanted to buy, a mic, everything. Stuff I just needed to make YouTube videos for you guys. So make sure to go down, subscribe if you're new. But let me show y'all the day it happened in the stock AMC. This is not financial advice. Once again, let's go to the freaking chart. Now, don't let the price deceive you. It's at $13 right now. If we were to go back to the day I was trading AMC at, AMC would be at $1.31 right now. Before we get into this, let that sink in, that AMC would be $1.31 right now before the split. For those of you that don't know what happened with AMC stock, basically there was a 10-for-1 split. So for every 10 shares you had, now you have 1, but the price went up times 10. So if you do the math before the split, if we're talking before the split, AMC would be trading at $1.31 right now. So let me go ahead and show you guys the day it happened, the specific day that it happened. It was right here on July 24th. As y'all see, before July 24th, I'm talking months before, we were trading in this same area for the longest time, guys. And you know what I was doing when AMC was there? I would buy with every paycheck more. That's how much I believe in this company, guys. You could invest in whatever you want. I've seen stocks go up 300% in a day, 100%, 200%, but this stock has shot up 1,000% in 2021. I really think it's going to happen again because history repeats itself. History does tend to repeat itself. So the day it happened, it was after hours, after 3 p.m. on July 24th. I had like 4,000 and some change, like 4,200 if I'm not mistaken. And in a couple of minutes, within a 30-minute window, AMC shot up 100%. Now my average price was at $5.50, guys. $5.50. As y'all see right now, it's at $40 and the high is $60. It doesn't show how high it went because it was after hours, but if you do the math, before the split, it was $4 and it shot up to $8. That's something with AMC that doesn't happen to a lot of stocks. Make sure to watch the end so I could go over why I love this stock so much and why I'm still buying it to this day. But if you do the math, guys, it was trading at $4 and like a couple cents before it shot up to $8.50. I saw it with my own eyes go up 100% within a couple minutes. And I'm not gonna lie, when I saw it shooting up, I sold a little early. I sold it like at $7.30. In these instances, in short squeezes, you don't know how high it's gonna go. And once you already see like that profit, like that $2,000 profit, it's like hard not to take it. So I took the profit. I was up like 50% from my average, and it kept going higher. If I would have held on just for a couple more minutes, I would have made like an extra $800 in a couple minutes, guys. The only reason I made this much was because I had a large amount of money for me in AMC, a large amount. That takes balls, guys. To put all your eggs in one basket, to put all your money in one stock, it takes balls, because you could lose everything, guys. I hope you realize that. That's how risky it is, but that's why I decided to invest in AMC. Now, I sold at like $7.30, so really that would have been $73 after the split. It went from 40 to 80, and I sold like at 73 for like 2,000 profit. Monday comes around, it crashes back down to $5. I'm talking right when the market opens. Goes from $8 to $5. I'm like, what the fuck? Thank God I sold. If I wouldn't have sold, I would have lost all my profits. So that's also something you could take from this video. In order to make real money in the stock market, you have to buy and sell. It's the only way. Holding is good, but once you're in that profit zone, you gotta sell. You can't think it's gonna go up forever, because it's not. No stock ever goes up forever, and no stock ever goes down forever. Before we move on to why I'm still buying to this day, I wanna talk about why it happened. Now, like I said, AMC was going through that conversion, the 10-to-1 split. They basically said the conversion wasn't gonna happen. They said it might not happen. And that caused AMC to go up 100% in a couple minutes. And that is how I made $2,000 in 30 minutes in the stock market. Remember what I said? It's very risky to put all your eggs in one basket. That's why I'm saying this is not financial advice. You could lose a lot of money if you do this, but you could also make a lot of money. Now, in my case, I was up 2,000. I took out 6,000 cash. I bought something I've always wanted, a badass mic, and now we're here to this present day. So let's go into why I'm still buying this stock, guys. And remember, like I said, for the millionth time, this is not financial advice. Don't sue me. Do what you want with your money. Do your own research. I'm just saying how I made $2,000 in 30 minutes on July 24th, and that was by going all in. Balls deep. That's how ballsy I am, guys. I don't give a shit if I lose everything. I mean, I do, but that's just how much I believe in this company, AMC. If you're new to my channel and you go through my past 7 videos, they have all been about this stock, because what's going on right now with this stock is insane. Let's fast forward to today. So yes, shot up 100% on Friday. Monday comes around, goes back down to where it was. Everyone who didn't sell was dying inside. I was so happy I sold. I was like, thank the Lord. But there's a lot of people that didn't sell. Now let's just go to this present day, guys. So look, right here, July 24th was this day when it shot up. It went up to $80. It didn't go up to 60. It shot up to $8, aka $80 after conversion. I'm sure y'all got that by now. Next week comes crashing down. Ooh, we're getting a little rebound. Goes back up to like $5. Oh my God, we're at $5, right? Then the judge says the conversion is happening. Boom, minus 25% in one day. I bought like right here, and I sold at a little profit for like maybe a couple hundred bucks. And I was so happy I sold, because if you take a look at this, I had it in my gut feeling. I knew this stock was gonna go down. I've been investing in this stock since 2021, by the way. Now, it went back up. It was up like almost another 40%. Boom. If I zoom in to show y'all, for 6 days straight, we're talking on August 21st, boom, down 20%. Boom, down 20% the next day. Next day, boom, down 30%. Next day, boom, down another 20%. Next day, boom. At this time, no one was thinking that it was going to go lower. Everyone was like, it's highly unlikely that it's going to go lower. Next day, boom, lower. Next day, boom, a little lower, 10% lower. Next day, boom, a little lower, where we reached our all-time low of $10.90, aka $1.09 before the split. That's what this stock was trading at when I first started making videos on this channel exactly a week ago. 1 week ago, AMC was at $1.09. Fast forward to today. Fast forward to this present moment. It's currently Monday, Labor Day, and the stock market opens tomorrow. Fast forward to this moment, AMC freaking crashed down to $10.85. Now this has never happened in history. Just let that sink in. If you go back to the past month, AMC is down 75%, almost 80%. In the past 3 weeks, AMC is down 70%. If I wouldn't have sold, I would be down like $3,000. That profit I made would be gone. I'd be dying inside. But I sold, and that is why I'm telling you guys, the only way you're gonna make real money is by buying and selling in the stock market. Now, I bought back a little high. When I saw AMC at $2, I was freaking out. I went all in. I went all in, guys. And guess what? Guess what? The next day I was down 50% in 4 days. 4 days later, down 50%. And you know what I did when I was down 50%, guys, in 4 days? And this is money I really didn't care about. I already took my $2,000 profit, took it out, bought things I always wanted, and this is just the money I was originally playing with. So in reality, I still had the money I initially started with in AMC. You know what I did when I was down 50%? What any person in their right mind would do. I bought more. I averaged down, I bought the dip, and now I'm not down that bad. I'm not. You know why? Because look at the past 5 days. This is what happens when AMC goes extremely low. Extremely low. This is an all-time low. AMC shot up almost 40% from this point right here at $10.85. AMC shot up to $14.39 if I'm not mistaken. $14.39. This is just my personal opinion. Do not take anything from this video and make it financial advice. I'm just talking about the day I made 2,000 in 30 minutes. And I think that day is going to come very soon, times 10. Times 10. If you thought $2,000 in 30 minutes was a lot, I think the day's coming where it's gonna happen times 10, times 1,000%. The sky's the limit, guys. The sky is the limit. If we go back, this was in 2021. I'm sure some of y'all heard it all over the stock news that AMC shot up almost 1,000%, guys, within a couple hours, a day. Couple days. If you would have put in $1,000, I'm talking you would be looking at $10,000, $20,000 profit with just 1,000. Just 1,000, guys. This is what happened in 2021, guys. And you know what else happened before this squeeze in 2021? AMC crashed 70%, almost in like a day. It went from like $2 to $1. It was trading at like $1.10. The price we're trading at right now, it's like history's repeating itself. And I'm letting y'all know that this is not financial advice, but I've been looking at this stock ever since it squoze, guys. I've been looking at this stock ever since it squoze. I'm letting you know right now, there is a lot of opportunity. And like I said, this is not financial advice. Don't sue me. You do what you want with your money. I'm just letting you know why I'm buying to this day, why I'm buying more. Tomorrow when the stock market opens, I'm gonna buy another 10 shares, guys. History does repeat itself. And at this point in time, it's like the same cycle is happening, guys. Except I think we're going to crazier heights. For one, just this past month, AMC has broken 3 records back to back to back. For over 103 years, AMC has been open, and the records that have been broken this past month are records that have never been seen before in 103 years. This is why I believe in AMC so much. This is why I continue to buy. This is why I put all my eggs in one basket. It's the stupidest thing you could do, but it could also be the most rewarding thing you do in your life. Put all your eggs in one basket. Sometimes you gotta take risks, guys. You do. And in this case, it really worked out for me, and right now, I'm buying more at this point in time, guys. I mean, I'm telling you, you do what you want with your money. Okay, so let's say we're talking about AMC before the split happens. AMC went to $8. Basically, if we're talking in terms nowadays, AMC went to $80. Now imagine a stock going from $80 to $10 in 1 month. But this particular stock is breaking records the same month that it's shot down almost 90-80% from that high. Now, I'm not telling you to go all in. I'm just telling you I'm going all in. You do what you want, guys. It's your money. I just want to let y'all know how I made $2,000 in 30 minutes. And I really think this month, September, or the next month, I really think it's going to happen again times 1,000%. Fuck $2,000. I really think it's going to be a lot more rewarding, especially with what's going down. Not financial advice, but yeah, guys, I just wanted to come on today and share with you how I made $2,000 in 30 minutes on July 24th. Profit, guys. Profit. So 3 things that you got from this video. 1, don't put all your eggs in one basket. However, if you do, it could be really rewarding. It could be really hurtful too. You might lose everything, guys. Remember that. But with how risky it is putting all your eggs in one basket, great risk comes great reward. And that's just facts, guys. Number 2, in the stock market, you have to buy and sell. People that held AMC are down 80, 70, 60% right now. I hope you realize that. And those people, those apes, are still holding this stock, guys. That's why I'm telling you right now that it is a good time to get in, because it's at an all-time low. And I'm not telling you go and dump your life savings in it, because I don't want you to come at me. I don't want you to be pissed if you do lose everything. I'm just letting you know that in my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor. If I had $100,000, I'd easily put in $80,000 in AMC right now, just to make things clear. In order to make money in the stock market, you do have to buy and sell. So when I do see profit, that I really like, and it's gonna come, I know it is, I'm gonna sell. I'm not saying I'm diamond handing to $1 million. No, guys. I'm in it for the MOAS. I'm in it for the squeeze, but I'm not gonna be a dumbass and hold when it squeezes. I'm gonna take my money out, because the only way to make real money is to buy and sell in the stock market. And the third thing that you got from this video is buy the fucking dip. Buy the dip in whatever stock you get. Let's say you do buy AMC, it goes down. Buy more, buy more. I hope you got some good information out of this video, guys. And remember, if you're new here, make sure to go down and subscribe. I just started this channel a week ago and we're already at 66 subscribers right now. I'm trying to get to 100 by the end of this week, so make sure to go down and subscribe. I love talking about stocks, guys. It's really all I do on this channel, but that is how I made $2,000 in 30 minutes, guys. Just flat out, no bullshit, just letting y'all know. That is how it happened. And I just want to let you know that at this moment in time, I'm buying more and I'm buying the dip. Let's do this.
Here we go. Come on. Push it.